The clamp jaw style mop stick secures mop heads firmly so cleaning stays consistent and efficient in office environments. A clamp jaw mop stick uses a mechanical clamping mechanism to hold the mop head, which prevents lateral sliding and rotation that wastes time and leaves streaks. To get the best performance, choose a stick with corrosion-resistant metal and a quick-release clamp so you can change mop heads without tools. Check the clamp tension before each shift and tighten by hand if it feels loose. Use flat or string mop heads designed for clamping rather than looped heads that can slip. If your inventory currently has looped heads, phase them out gradually to avoid supply shocks. Train staff to align the mop tail evenly inside the clamp and close the clamp until it clicks to avoid uneven pressure that causes bunching and streaks. When mopping larger open areas, work in overlapping straight passes and keep the mop head damp, not soaking, to maximize pickup and minimize residue. Regularly inspect the clamp jaws for bent edges or worn teeth and replace the stick at the first sign of deformation to avoid sudden failures during service. Common mistakes include using loop-style mop heads that slide under load, which leads to inefficient cleaning and more rework. Switch to clamped heads and remove looped options from routine kits. Another frequent issue is inadequate clamp maintenance, where dirt or rust prevents a full closure, causing the mop to rotate. Clean the clamp jaws with a brush, dry them, and apply a light coat of lubricant, if metal, to keep smooth action. A third concern is improper staff technique, where the tail is unevenly seated and the clamp engaged partially, which causes bunching and streaking. Train teams to visually check the tail is centered and to confirm a tactile click or firm resistance before starting a pass. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to office cleaning equipment, upgrades, and mop supply needs, and helps contractors find new work by listing projects and services. We also run a discussion community where we share practical tips on tools like clamp, jaw, mop sticks, and real-world experiences from cleaning professionals.